Dropshipping is a popular business model. It lets you sell products online without holding inventory. You buy products from a supplier and ship them directly to your customers. This way, you don't need to manage inventory or handle shipping. DSM Tool is a powerful software for dropshippers. It automates tasks and helps you find profitable products. DSM Tool makes dropshipping easier. You can import products from suppliers, manage orders, and track your profits. It saves time and reduces errors. With DSM Tool, you can focus on growing your business. Many dropshippers use AliExpress. It's a large online marketplace with millions of products. You can find almost anything on AliExpress at competitive prices. DSM Tool integrates seamlessly with AliExpress. This makes it easy to find and import products for your dropshipping store. AliExpress is a huge online marketplace. It connects buyers and sellers from around the world. Millions of people use AliExpress to find great deals on a wide variety of products. You can find everything from electronics to clothing to home goods on AliExpress. AliExpress has over 100 million products. These products come from over 200,000 sellers. This means you have a huge selection to choose from. You can find products in any category you can imagine. AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions. This global reach makes it a great platform for dropshipping. You can sell to customers all over the world. AliExpress also offers buyer protection. This gives you peace of mind when ordering products. Connecting DSM Tool to your AliExpress account is easy. First, you need to create a DSM Tool account. Then, go to the Settings page and click on the Integrations tab. Find AliExpress in the list of integrations and click Connect. You will be redirected to the AliExpress website. Log into your AliExpress account and authorize DSM Tool to access your account. This will allow DSM Tool to import products and process orders from AliExpress. Once you have connected your accounts, you can start importing products from AliExpress. Go to the AliExpress website and find a product you want to sell. Copy the product URL and paste it into DSM Tool. DSM Tool will import the product information, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Section 4. Benefits of using DSM Tool for AliExpress dropshipping. DSM Tool offers many benefits for dropshippers using AliExpress. It automates tasks like importing products and processing orders. This saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. You can manage your entire dropshipping business from one central location. DSM Tool helps you find profitable products. It provides tools for researching products and analyzing their sales potential. You can see which products are selling well and identify new trends. This helps you make informed decisions about what to sell in your store. DSM Tool also offers advanced features like price and stock monitoring. This ensures that your prices are always competitive and that you don't sell out-of-stock products. You can set up automatic alerts for price changes and inventory updates. This helps you stay ahead of the competition and avoid losing sales. Section 5. Conclusions supercharge your dropshipping business. Using DSM Tool with AliExpress is a winning combination for dropshippers. DSM Tool simplifies dropshipping and helps you succeed. AliExpress provides a vast selection of products at competitive prices. Together, they empower you to build a profitable dropshipping business. Start using DSM Tool with AliExpress today. Experience the power of automation and efficiency. Take your dropshipping business to the next level.